Hi, it's Jenny. If you're here for the rings close-up, then this is the timestamp that you want to be going for. Recently I got a comment on one of my Killstar haul videos, somebody saying that they were really grateful for the close-up that I gave, so I just thought I would make this a separate video. Thank you to my subscribers. I'm almost at 100 subscribers, which I'm honestly kind of amazed by. If you are one of those people and you were hoping for, I don't know, some interesting, nostalgic, cringe content, I'm sorry to let you down this week. It's Easter weekend and I'm honestly just trying to chill out and have a bit of a holiday for myself. If you were disappointed by this week's content, please feel free to let me know in the comments, maybe suggest something you'd like me to do. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it useful, consider giving it a like. If it was a waste of your time, hit the dislike button. See you guys in the next one. Thanks again for watching. Bye.